Hey there, this is Chris with NWAVet. We thought, as we go into the new year, that we would start introducing some tips and tools once a week or so for veterans. So with that, welcome to the first NWAVet Veterans Tips and Tools. If you follow us on Facebook, you've probably noticed that we share upcoming events quite often. These can be found on the VA website in their Outreach and Events section. That being said, as you can see here, on Monday there will be a virtual Veteran Career Transition Assistance Program. It's free, but you need to register. The link to do so will be below in the video description. Following up on the Career Transition Program is a workshop on writing resumes. If you've thought about applying for a federal job, you know that the requirements for a federal resume are totally different than for a civilian resume. This workshop is also free, but requires a reservation. The link will be below. Now, where do we get a lot of this information? This is a screenshot of the weekly email that we receive from the VA. This email has lists of upcoming events as well as several good pieces of information on other veteran-centric things. You can sign up for this same weekly email yourself on the VA's website. Again, the link for the sign-up page will be below. It's well worth the time to receive and look at this weekly roundup of VA-related news. And that's it for today. Short and sweet. Please share this with others, hit the like button below, and be sure to subscribe so you'll know when a new video is published. As always, we're online at NWAVet.org, on Facebook at facebook.com/NWAVet, and you can reach us at info@NWAVet.org. Y'all be safe out there. Take care of each other. NWAVet out.